I'm deciding what I want to do here. I'll use the other one first. Okay. All right, hey guys, it's Dr. Emmer. We're in West Hollywood, and we are now doing a male Botox or preventative wrinkle relaxation is what I call it, because if you look, right now he's got a baby face, he's very good looking, he doesn't have many wrinkles, but the issue is we have young men and women coming in wanting to do these treatments to prevent the aging process, to prevent those wrinkles from forming. And we know that injectable freezers or relaxers like Botox, Xeomin, and Dysport help to soften lines of movement. So squeeze in your brow, squeeze that in, and you can see deep folds here that look fine now, relax, look fine now, but if you left this for 10 or 20 years, then you would have some deep creases. Raise up a little bit, raise. You can see he's got that those forehead lines that's starting to form some fine lines, and also smile as big as you can. He's got a little bit of crow's and some crepiness under his eyes. So what we're gonna do, so we're just gonna soften that area using Botox. So squeeze in, relax. The reason we treat this, even if you wanna treat up here, is because if you freeze this muscle here, then this tends to wanna go down. Then you look what? Angry, right? You see this. So we cannot, we want him to look open and happy. So squeeze in, relax, and we're gonna do a couple little injections, little bee sting, 1, 2, 3, little pinch. And we're just gonna do a small bit. We're actually gonna start a little lighter with him since this is one of the first few times that he's done this before. And we're not gonna do really aggressive treatment here. We're just gonna go kind of along his glabellar complex here and just soften it. Perfect. And that's the 11 line. So in 2 weeks, that will soften. And what it's gonna do is prevent his forehead and brow from changing shape. So raise up. We're gonna show everybody here, relax. Raise up as hard as you can now. Good, relax. We're just gonna go lightly across and do very small bits. Nothing so substantial. I want it to just to be soft. Raise up again. Good, relax. Raise up again. Good, relax. Raise up again.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Relax. Good. Raise up again. Good, relax. And it's very important you customize this. So for example, raise up again. His muscle goes all the way out here and it goes a little bit up top. So it's important that you soften up there, because if you don't, then he's going to get a little ripple up at the top. Okay, raise up again. Good, relax. And you can see here, even up here in the middle, so we're just gonna do a little bleb and a little bleb. Raise up again. Great. And that's just to soften there. And now smile as big as you can. Perfect, relax. We're gonna go right into the edge of the crows. Just do a small amount. Smile again. Relax. We're gonna go right at the opposite edge where he has that movement. And then the other thing, smile again. He has a little bit of lines under here, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna go right under here just a little teeny bit. I'm gonna do 1, 2, that's it. Close, hold right there with your hand. So it just makes it way easier, because a little pinch kind of stings.
It wasn't too bad.
Then we're gonna come over here, smile as big as you can, relax. We're gonna go right where that movement is, the edge of the orbicularis muscle there. I'm just gonna do a little bleb. Smile again, relax. We're gonna go right at the other part where he's got a lot of movement. Sorry, it's a little sting. Perfect. And then the last 2 again, look all the way up, smile as big as you can, relax. We're gonna go over here, it's a little bit different. He's a little more movement there, and a little movement right there. Perfect, close, and hold, right there. And that's it. And that's a little bit of preventative Botox, doing a conservative dose. This typical starting doses for men are 20 to 30 units in most areas. Forehead, somewhere 10 to 20 units. In the eyes, somewhere 10 to 20 units per side. On him, we did 16, 10, 8, and 8. So we're keeping it easy to start, and we can wait 2 weeks, see if we need any more, balance anything out, and then we know his final dosing for his future treatments. Thanks, guys.